Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about call and response. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play a lick, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna follow and respond to the lick with your own lick. Try to match the licks as close as possible and try to use your intuition and your ears more than anything else. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the pentatonic scale most of the time, but maybe I will go off and on from the pentatonic scale. Without further ado, let's go and jump into the video. Right, I hope you liked it and I hope you get something out of it. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up. If you have any thoughts or any comments, make sure to drop them down below. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video, and I will see you on the next one.